Mastercam 2021 features a new toolpath, Advanced Drill. Advanced Drill is a customizable multi-segment drill cycle that is useful for spot drilling, deep hole drilling, and back spot facing. Each segment of the drill cycle can be defined in a table on the toolpath's Cut Parameters page. For each segment, you can customize any or all of the following conditions. Define individual pecs within the segment, including retracts to simulate a chip break cycle. Set the feed rate or choose rapid motion. Change the spindle speed and direction. Turn coolant options on or off. Add manual entry comments or code. Fine-tune the order in which the commands are output. Like other drill operations, you can use the tool axis control page to choose 3, 4, or 5-axis output. Choosing 4-axis or 5-axis output gives you access to additional multi-axis features like Safety Zone. Advanced Drill is located in the 2D gallery on the Mill Toolpath's Contextual tab. Mastercam 2021 features a new toolpath, Chamfer Drill. Using tools with a tip angle, the Chamfer Drill toolpath chamfers holes after calculating the correct depth based on the desired width or depth. The Chamfer Drill toolpath also lets you select holes of different diameters or sizes, or that lie in different planes, and machine them in a single operation with a single tool. You can use any tool with a tapered tip, not just a drill. Like other drill operations, you can use the tool axis control page to choose 3, 4, or 5-axis output. Choosing 4-axis or 5-axis output gives you access to additional multi-axis features like Safety Zone. To create the toolpath, select Chamfer Drill in the hole-making section of the 2D mill toolpaths. Then in the graphics window, select the entities you want to add to the features list. Use the following methods to make and manipulate your selections. Click or use window selection to choose solid holes, solid arc edges, wireframe arcs, lines, points, or auto cursor positions. Control and click to select all matching radius solid features. Control, Shift, and click to select all matching radius solid features on the same vector as the initial selection. Click a selected solid features arrow to change direction. For more consistency between toolpath options, an End at Center option has been added to the Transitions page of the Circle Mill toolpath and the Cut Parameters page of the Helix Bore toolpath. You can now choose both Start at Center and End at Center in these toolpaths. Start at Center begins the toolpath at the center of each selected entity. Once that entity has been machined, the toolpath moves to the next entity. End at Center ends the toolpath at the center of each selected entity. Once that entity has been machined, the toolpath moves to the next entity. When using the Auto Drill toolpath to create operations for tapped holes, Mastercam chooses the tap size based on the diameter of the selected arcs. This can be a problem when the geometry is based on the minor diameter of a tapped hole. Now when you select only arcs, Mastercam displays the Override Geometry Diameter parameter in place of the Create Arcs on Selected Points on the Tool Parameters tab. Mastercam uses the existing hole diameter unless you select the Override option. If any wireframe points are selected, the Create Arcs on Selected Points parameter displays, and the user-entered diameter associated with that field defines the hole diameter. Because Mastercam automatically calculates fields like thread pitch, manual changes to such fields can be overwritten whenever Mastercam is called to recalculate these values. You can now lock number of active teeth and thread pitch to ensure that Mastercam does not recalculate these values. Click the lock icons to toggle their status. Locked fields cannot be edited. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.